I'm going to show you how to use an Italian blowpipe. So one end has the brass bit, that's the one you blow through, and this is the end where we're going to heat up. You need to heat it up quite a lot. It's quite a thick end to it. So while you're heating that up, you can heat some glass as well. So when you start going round the edge, make sure you don't fill the hole in. See, the more glass you put on, the bigger your shard will be. So I've gone round just the edge of the pipe and the hole is still available. So I'm now going to build my glass up. It's going to go a bit like a pot. You need to make sure your pipe is still getting heat. Just keep flashing it in. If the pipe cools down, the glass will fall off. So keep building it up. This glass is one of the ivory blue colours. This should be quite nice when we blow it into a shard. So I'm still building it up and I can still see the hole. Still keeping everything warm, including the glass at the far end. As you can see, it's getting smaller now, so I'm going to start closing it in. It still has it all clear inside, and the blowpipe hole is still not blocked or anything. The air has to get out, obviously. So I'm going to totally seal it up now, and I'm going to put a little bit extra glass on the bottom. Ideally you want the thickness of glass all around to be similar thickness to blow it more evenly. That'll be okay, I think. So right, now we heat it all up. Heat the pipe, you heat the glass on the pipe, you heat the glass at the end, so it's all molten. Not too runny, it's going to drop off. Got enough heat all the way round. You can see it's all red. Once it's like that, you can try and blow it. Bring it out the flame. Okay, as you see, bring it out the flame and blow. I blow quite gently and try and get it as even as possible. If it's going too fast, so here it's trying to bellow out, I just paused and let it cool a little and then set up again, and that's worked quite well. So I've waited a while, and as you can see, the shard has come off. That's where it was fastened on, and I've got a little bit of glass left on the end of my blowpipe. So ideally you need some water. You put your finger over the hole, be careful it's still warm here. Put the blowpipe in the water and the glass comes off. Always keep your finger over the hole though, otherwise steam comes up the top and burns your fingers. Okay, and as you can see, it's clear to start again.